Understanding Archive the Post, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the phrase, archive the post. This is a common term used in digital communication, especially on social media. If you're looking to enhance your understanding of modern English expressions, you're in the right place. The word archive is both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to a collection of historical documents or records. However, in our phrase, it's used as a verb. To archive something means to store or preserve it for future reference. It's like keeping a book in a library or a document in a safe place. In digital terms, a post is any content shared on social media or websites. It could be a photo, a status update, an article, or a video. When you post something, you are sharing it with others on a digital platform. When we say, archive the post, we're talking about moving a particular post from its active location to a special storage area. It's like taking a book off a public shelf and placing it in a private collection. The post is not deleted or destroyed. It's just kept out of the usual view. People choose to archive posts for various reasons. Maybe the post is no longer relevant, but they don't want to delete it. Or perhaps it's a personal memory they want to keep but not display publicly anymore. Archiving allows for this flexibility. The process can vary slightly depending on the platform, but generally, there's an option or button labeled Archive or something similar. By selecting this, the post is moved to the Archive section of your account, where you can view it, but others cannot. That wraps up our discussion on Archive the Post. I hope this video has been informative and has helped clarify this modern digital phrase. Remember, language is always evolving, especially with the rise of technology and social media. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.